Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lash care with the Revitalash Cosmetics Double-Ended Volume Set. Now, if you're on the hunt for the best Revitalash mascara on the market, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Double-Ended Volume Set is not your average mascara. It's a 2-in-1 powerhouse featuring a lash primer and mascara, designed to give you that coveted volume and length for your lashes. What I love about this set is the convenience. You're getting two essential products in one sleek package. The primer works to condition and prepare your lashes for the mascara, ensuring maximum impact and longevity. Now, let's talk results. I've been using this set for a few weeks now, and I have to say, I'm impressed. Not only does it provide instant volume and length, but it also contains conditioning ingredients that help enhance the natural health of your lashes over time. Another thing to note is the formula. It's ophthalmologist and dermatologist reviewed, hypoallergenic, clinically tested, and non-irritating, making it suitable for even the most sensitive eyes. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a mascara that delivers on both performance and nourishment, look no further than the Revitalash Cosmetics Double-Ended Volume Set. It's a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their lash game. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy shopping!